Japan may ask people to cut back on natural gas next. Japan can also ask households and companies to scale back on natural gasoline use on issues that stable substances from Russia will be disrupted. The USA's Exchange Ministry will create a framework allowing it to call on huge corporations to cut down gasoline use when delivery is tight, Nikkei record from Sunday, without saying where it were given the statistics. The authorities will first ask families and businesses to scale back gas utilization to the high quality in their abilities, and if that's now not sufficient to keep away from supply shortages, will observe up with unique conservation objectives, the report said. Details of the framework will be discussed amongst a ministry panel earlier than demand for the gasoline peaks in wintry weather, in keeping with the report. The file comes after recent actions by means of Russia to switch the rights to the Sakhalin-2 natural gasoline mission to a brand new business that can threaten overseas owners such as Japanese firms. The Japanese authorities is already asking its residents to play their element in power conservation, as power supply is expected to be tight this summer and iciness. Japan is expected to have sufficient strength supply this week, with rainy weather expected to decrease temperatures in numerous parts of the United States of America. The power reserve ratio, which measures spare capability of turbines, is predicted to be lowest for the Tokyo vicinity on Wednesday at 7.1%, in line with the alternate ministry, nevertheless above the 3% wanted for a strong grid. Japan's next-day spot strength rate settled at 31 yen and 22 sen a kilowatt-hour on Monday, in keeping with the Japan Electric Power Exchange, down 3.8% from a week earlier. Copyright 2022 LP.